Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide the taskbar on Windows 11. So if you want that clean, distraction-free look on your desktop, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can hide the taskbar on Windows 11 so your screen looks minimal and sleek. Let's get started. So first, you can just right-click on an empty area of the taskbar and click on the taskbar settings, and this will open a menu where you can customize how your taskbar behave. Now we can just scroll down and then click on the taskbar behaviors, this one here, and you'll see an options that says automatically hide taskbar, and you can just check that box, this one in here. And once enabled, your taskbar will be disappear when not in use and pop back up only when you move your mouse to the bottom of your screen like this. And if you want an even cleaner look, we can just make the taskbar transparent. You can go to settings and go to the personalizations in here and tap on colors and scroll down and toggle on the transparency effects. This one in here, I've already turned it on actually. So this will give your taskbar a glass-like low contrast style that blends into the background. And that's it. Enjoy your clean, minimal Windows 11 desktop. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!